Hey y'all, if you have ever been frustrated by writing lots of personalized, individualized emails, I want you to watch this video. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name is Hector Santiesteban, and I help business owners leverage AI to drive revenue and cut costs. Now, one of the biggest costs that people have is time, right? And that's the thing that costs the most, and also the thing that we can't really get back. And I've got to tell you that one of the most frustrating things for me was having to manually and individually write emails that I kind of needed to send in bulk. Let me give you an example. This morning I ran a training on how to leverage and better use AI, and there was about a dozen or so people who gave me their information and wanted me to send them some resources and follow up with them. And normally what I would have done is I would have taken that list and I would have handwritten or individually drafted and written every single email in there, because you can group them all into a BCC and send it off, but that's not very personalized. Or you could use some sort of bulk email sender like a ConvertKit or a Go High Level, but that doesn't always end up in the primary inbox. And so I wanted something that I could send through my normal Gmail that was personalized, individualized, but also didn't take all the time that it normally does. And so this is where AI came in. And so you'll see on the screen here, we have a Notion agent called Email Drafter. And this email drafter has a set of instructions that is designed to basically draft emails. It has access to my Google, and it has access to my tone and my personality, and it also has some templates in here to be able to send things off. Now, what's great about that is we use it for templated emails, outreach, follow-up, things like that. This was sort of a one-off case. And so you'll see here, what I did was I actually I just screenshotted all the people who gave their information, gave their contact info for me to follow up with. And all I did was I just threw it into the prompt here for this email drafter. And I said, write a draft to each of these people, thank them for the training, share a link with them, share this other link with them. And then boom, in a matter of minutes, I had drafts written to all of these different people. And you'll see here, I wanted to adjust some of the drafts and I wanted to make some adjustments. And what's cool is it actually made all those adjustments. And so it was only about 15 emails, but that 15 emails might have taken me about maybe say 30, 45 minutes to send out if I was really focused and I was really dialed in. But I was able to do this in less than 10 minutes because all I had to do was just take a look at the draft, verify that everything was good, and send it on its way. And so, if we think about that, what used to take 45 minutes and taking it all the way down to 10, that's a savings of 4 to 5x in terms of your time. And so again, AI is not about replacing people. It's not about replacing you. It's about giving you leverage and giving you the opportunity to do things much quicker with the same amount of accuracy and the same amount of effectiveness. So if you want access to our executive prompt library, comment prompts below and I'll send that to you, or you can check the description and you might find the link there. Otherwise, keep AIing and keep getting better.